Queen bee, want no smoke with me. Then turn this motherfucker up 800 degrees. Whole team eat chefs cause she's a treat. Ooh, she's so bougie, bon appetit. I'm a savage, attitude nasty. Talk big shit, but my bank account match it. Hood, but I'm classy. Rich, but I'm ratchet. Haters keep my name in their mouth, not a gagging. Bougie, he say the way that thing move, it's a movie. I told that boy we gotta keep it lowly, need a room key. I done bled the block and now it's hot, bitch, I'm Tunchi. I'm mood and I'm moody. I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty, acting stupid. What was happening? What was happening? Bitch, I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet.
Hey you guys, I'm back with another video, and I'm so happy you guys clicked in on this video, clicked on the video. I really appreciate it. But if you guys don't know me by now, my name is Bebe Terrell, and I'm back with another banger, another look, another let's just get glam, maybe for no reason. But anyways, today's look, I don't know what inspired me to do this, but today's look is just basically like a freestyle. It's basically like cut crease with a little bit of glitter, with a little bit of glam, with a little bit of pop. But anyways, so yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. But I will be doing a voiceover due to the simple fact that yeah, I'm really trying to get new to the YouTube and TikTok at the same time type of thing. So just be patient with me on that. It's a lot of things that I'm trying to fix and trying to do with like TikTok, YouTube videos. I gotta fix my intro. It's a lot of things that I just need to write down and do. But I'm gonna stop talking, I'm gonna stop rambling, and you guys enjoy the video if you want to get this glamorous look. But also, this is not, I only showed you guys the eye look. If you guys want to see the full face, or just want to see how I do my full, well, it's new ways and techniques that I've been doing my full face due to the fact that I'm trying out different things, because it's like I just really want to see how the makeup will hold up on different type of products, how it will mix and stuff like that. But if you guys want to see how specifically I did this look, which is like a full glam matte, but like still not too matte, but like glowy, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. Anyways, all right, I'll see you guys in the next clip, or you will hear my voice in the next clip, okay? Hey you guys, I'm going to take my fluffy brush, my crease fluffy brush, and I'm going to dip into a warm brown type of color. And I will be going from, in the next clip you'll see me going from the inner corner of my eye to the outer part of my eye, basically like the crease. I'm going to just go back and forth, but I do recommend patting on the products, patting on the eyeshadow, and then blending it out. And then also getting another brush, another fluffy crease brush that doesn't have any product on it, and I advise you to blend everything up and out like you want to make this eyeshadow the base. And also the way, because sometimes another tip is to use like a concealer that's 2 shades a little bit lighter than your complexion. Okay, so this next clip is me dipping into like this orange warm tone, like fall type of color. I'm going to dip into that, and I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the first color. I'm just going to focus it on my crease. I'm going to pat it in, and I'm going to blend it out in my crease to make sure I get that warm tone in the crease area. I'm going to also bring it up to my tailbone, not my tailbone, for real. I'm going to bring it up to my the arch of my eyebrow. Okay, you guys, I'm going to go into a darker shade to deepen up my crease. This shade right here wasn't dark enough for me, but if you guys do have a darker shade, that would be great. So what I decided to do, I decided to mix this shade with this shade right here to deepen up the crease, to darken up the crease, to get that, like, you know, that dark type of look, if you get what I'm saying. And the next clip, you'll see me doing the same thing, patting it in and going to the inner to the outer corners of my eyes. And I'm just going to do that on both sides until I get the desired look that I want. By the way, you guys, I am focused on the inner part of my crease because I'm trying to darken up the crease. But sometimes I will take the leftover product that's on the brush to go from the inner part of my eye to the outer part of my eye. And in this next clip, you'll see me use you'll see me cut my crease. So advice for cutting the crease for me that's really helped. I will put a dot where my natural crease is. I will look up and there will be another dot above that, of course. And you're just gonna cut that. You're gonna, the first dot that's on top of that, the first dot that's on top of the other dot that you just made, you're just gonna cut the crease with that. You're gonna basically go, like I said, go from the inner part and go from the outer part as desired. But you want to be very precise with this. But yeah. Okay, you guys, I'm going to take my Fit Me setting powder that's in the color medium. I think it's medium deep. It's by Maybelline, of course. And I'm just going to just put some product on my brush, and I'm also just going to pat my eyeshadow in. I'm just basically going to set the crease that I laid the base down with. And yeah, you want to make sure that everything is patted in and blended out correctly, because sometimes if you do this step incorrectly, it will look chalky and it won't look like it's blended out. Okay, you guys, I want to take my same fluffy brush with no product on it. I'm just going to blend my cut crease and the shadow that's in my crease together to make sure everything is smooth and correct. And so yeah, I'm just going to do that and make sure everything's look perfect. Okay, so I forgot to put this clip inside the video due to the fact that I just really forgot, because I was kind of rushing because I thought that I was going to be going somewhere. But I'm going to take this pink color that's coming up, and I'm going to take like a flat brush, like a flat rounded brush, like my concealer brush. I'm going to go to the bottom of my lash line. I'm going to blend that out. And I'm going to get this glitter that you will see in the next clip. It's like an eyeliner glitter that I use. And I'm going to basically go wherever I put that pink powder up under my eye, I'm going to just put a little bit of color there. And I'm also going to go from the beginning of my cut crease. I'm going to just put a little glitter there to start it off, and I'll make sure I get the bottom and the top of the cut crease, but I won't go too far, if that makes sense. I would just go just a little bit, just a little bit in to highlight the inner corner of my eye. Okay, I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. This is the final look. If you guys, also like I said at the beginning of the video, if you guys want me to do a full glam look, like the full face, just let me know. Like, comment. I said like to comment. Like, subscribe, and share the video. And also, you guys can also follow me on TikTok. It's the same name as my Instagram. It's Bebe Terrell. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I will try to be consistent with this because this is something that I really want to do. And so yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and I appreciate you watching.